Okay, in this video, we're going to cover setting up and connecting a Google Search Console, used to be known as Google Webmaster Tools. And this will allow you to connect the Google Search Console account to the domain registration. And so go to the properties. And this is my personal account, but if you're doing this for the business account, you're going to want to be in the business Google search account. We're going to add a property here and the domain quality roofing Beach.com. All right, we want to go continue here. And it looks like that was auto verified. It chose GoDaddy. It's helpful to be signed into the GoDaddy account over here. Usually there's another step there and I'll say verify now or verify later, that type of thing. Sometimes, and this happened, I tried to do the verification the first time and it did not take immediately. And so now this time when I click through, it automatically verified. And now I can go to this property. I want to do that domain. And you'll see that there are different ones. Some of them have you can see like extensions, the HTTPS or the HTTP. If they're very old, we might have both, and we might have www ones in there. Again, now the only thing that needs to be done is the domain property, and that'll cover all of the different ones. So it'll take a little while to populate this data once it's set up, but you can see the little fave icon logo there that's pulling from the website, and it's connected. We're not going to be able to see anything here. However, it can be helpful, very important, in fact, to submit a sitemap. And so I want to make sure that we've got our sitemap. And in this case, let's go there, make sure that's my sitemap. Okay, this is my sitemap URL. And it looks like I should actually change the link in my footer. I changed over what the sitemap was being built with, and so that's an old one. It still goes to the right place, but I'm gonna use this new sitemap and put this in here. And the reason that you're seeing previously submitted sitemaps is because this site was live earlier. Of course, we're reviving this one from archive.org or the Wayback Machine. And so I'm bringing this site back. And if you had a brand new site, there would be none of these that it would say couldn't fetch. Previously submitted, shouldn't be anything in there. If it was a brand new site, it should be the first one. But we're going to want to go ahead and make sure that we submit an XML sitemap for any of our sites. That'll help pages get indexed and things like that. So once again, it's going to take a few days potentially for this data to populate in here, but that is all there is to setting up a Google Search Console for a website.